In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your link on Monopoly Go. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device and make sure that you're signed in into your account. Make sure that you're signed in into your accounts to be able to your progress. So head over to the friends section, and here you will be able to find your friend code in the middle of your screen. So you can simply share this with your friend by sending this to them. You can also share it by clicking on the share icon on the different social media accounts available for your device. But if you send a friend code into your friend, they can simply use this search field by clicking on that search icon and entering your friend code to be able to find your account on Monopoly Go and add you on the platform. You can simply send your link to your friends on different social media applications installed on your device. They can click on that link and that will automatically send you a friend request on Monopoly Go, and that is how you can simply find your link on Monopoly Go. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give it a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.